In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to restore a Motorola ZN5 cell phone to factory settings. Okay, go to main menu, scroll to settings, select settings. Now scroll down to phone settings, select phone settings. Scroll down to reset. Select Reset. Scroll down to Delete All Data. Select Delete All Data. Now enter a security code. It has to be 6 digits. Submit. Select Yes. So there you go, the phone has been restored to factory settings. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.